Let's see how Modify Control Disabled works. Enabling the disabled property will make the text field to lock and unlock. Press Add Event. Select the On press to add the event. Press On Load to add the function. Go for Controls section and select the Modify Control. Press Inputs and select the data either true or false. True will enable the text field disabled property and user cannot use keyboard to type anything in it. False will disable the text field property and user will be able to use keyboard to type anything in it. Select the Inputs from Elements section. Go for Controls section and select the text field that you want to disable. Finally, go for Property to Modify section and select the disabled property.